Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at this rear kitchen Sierra fifth wheel. This is a early 2021 Sierra 39 BARK. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the outside of the RV. Then we're going to come back to the inside, show you what it looks like in there. We'll close her all up, show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, guys, we're now up inside this new Sierra 39 BARK. And we are going to start back in the rear kitchen section and then kind of work our way back toward the front. So going on back to the kitchen area here, you have one slide out in the kitchen, and that is basically your dinette slide out. Now that dinette has two traditional chairs, which do have storage. The tabletop pops up, so there is storage inside of there that you're seeing. And you also have the extension on the table end as well. Now there are two folding chairs as well, and you'll see where we store those here in a little bit. In the back section here, you have a pretty good sized pantry on the left, overhead cabinets, and a large microwave. Quite a bit of counter space here. There's a single bowl stainless undermount sink with the matching hard covers. And you got your high-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. Down below, you can see the nice Insignia oven, the largest oven currently offered without going to a real oven in an RV. And it has 4 burners on top, has little blue lit LED lights above the knobs there, but also a light inside the oven, and those turn on and off individually. Some storage beside that oven as well. Underneath the sink you have some storage and 3 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers there. Now another thing I do like, they're soft close drawers, but they also have soft close cabinet doors. It's a little bit nicer hardware used in the cabinet making. The window behind the sink does open. You also have a turbo exhaust fan, which is up here in the kitchen area, and it is controlled by the little control on the wall there. You have the large LG refrigerator here. Some storage above that refrigerator as well. Mostly linoleum throughout the coach, except for on the slides. These are flush floor slides, which do kind of drop down to level the floor. And in order to hide that section and mechanism, they use carpet. Some brands do try to use linoleum, but over time, even Sierra tried it at one point, the linoleum cracks and then it just looks really terrible, and it's hard to replace and match everything years down the road. So carpet is kind of a simple fix for that purpose. Deep tint safety glass windows, and all these windows open here in the living room area. Now you'll also see here the sofas do fold out and make into big beds. And that right there allows you to sleep 4 people down here fairly comfortably. And you can still walk around as well. Large electric fireplace. That's a 47-inch electric fireplace by Greystone. And basically it's a fancy space heater, but it looks pretty cool. Nice big flat screen TV, and you have some overhead cabinet storage there as well. We'll spin around here and you'll see again the theater seat that we were seeing when we first came into the camper. Now this does kick back and recline. You have little lights below the sofa area there, and then even a little cup holders light up with a little blue ring. And on the side of the sofa, beside the sofa there, is some USB charger ports and an electric outlet back there, along with the little table. Now, these sofas and the theater seat are all freestanding. So at some point in the future, if you ever want to replace them or anything like that, you can take them out. So if you wanted to, you're more of a extended stay kind of person and you wanted to take out a sofa and put in a desk or something, it's real simple to do. Again, totally freestanding furniture here. The unit has 2 Coleman ducted air conditioning systems. A little more quiet than the standard Dometic version. You've seen the ceiling fan that was up there. On the side of the wall here is your electric box with your breakers and fuses. Some more light switches and the inverter switch. And then a pretty cool control panel that you're seeing here with basically some of your light controls, slide controls, awning controls, and your monitor panel. Ceiling fan switch here on the wall as well. Thermostat for the downstairs air conditioner and the furnace. Step back here a little bit. We'll pop up a picture of this, but you do have kind of a little closet area here. Little coat hooks and stuff there. Little night light on the step down there as well. And you have a little grab handle there to just kind of help you get up and down the steps. Now the door on the left here, I also forgot the little central vac down there. But the door on the left here takes us into the bathroom. We're going to pop up some more pictures of this so it's a little easier to see. But you have some little robe hooks here, little fan up top, air conditioning and heat both in the bathroom. Medicine cabinet in the middle, but mirrors on each side of that as well. Dual vanities, some storage underneath along with 3 drawers. Porcelain foot flush toilet, tons of room in here. Plenty of room to get in and out of here, get dressed, no problem at all. Has the nicer adjustable shower bar, skylight up above, and you have a pretty good size linen closet here as well. And there's fan controls on the wall there as well for that fan. On into the bedroom area here, you have a Camper King bed. Room on both sides of the bed to walk around. Down there is electric outlet and USB charger ports. Controls for the upstairs air conditioning system. Now both airs are ducted throughout the RV. So if you turn on one, you are technically still kind of blowing into the other area as well. But you can also open up the vent, kind of see here, and dump out most of the air directly in like the bedroom if you wanted to. Windows on both sides of the bed do open. Now on the dresser, the lower door is just a door for storage, and then you have 3 drawers built in. TV area there, it's really meant for about a 32-inch flat screen. Then you have a big closet all the way across the front section here. So on the right side, you have the washer dryer hookup, or if you don't do a washer dryer, just again, big closet. The left side here, you can also see the King Wi-Fi internet system kind of set up there, and also a little storage area back there, a little shelf area. Now this bed does raise up, so there is a little bit of storage underneath of there. It's probably about 3 inches deep, so it's good for like blankets and stuff, but not anything real big. All right, guys, we are going to head on to the outside. Then we're going to come back in and close up all these slides and show you what that all looks like. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of this Sierra 39 Bark. And again, here we are looking at the front of the RV. Really nice fiberglass front nose here. Has 3 blue LED lights made into the front of it. Just kind of helps make it look a little different than some of the other fifth wheels on the market, and just kind of lightens it up at nighttime for you so you can see getting around, and even helps you a little bit when you're hooking up at night. Traditional pen box on the front is standard. Then you have pretty good sized storage compartment there across the front section. Now the unit is pre-wired for the 4-camera security / side camera system. So on the front running lights on both sides, it's prepped for a camera. There's a prepping above the entry door, and then you have prepping on the rear of the RV as well. Furrion makes those. Really nice system, so you can, one, see around your camper at nighttime if you're in it, but also see around your camper when you're driving down the road. Pretty cool feature. Talk with your salesperson about that if that interests you. Power awning across the front here, and it is adjustable for tilting and water runoff. Has the built-in LED light strip across there. Now another thing I like that they do also is the porch light above the entry door. And you can turn one or the other on, or both, but it's kind of nice. You don't have to just have that bright LED light on at nighttime. You have 2 outdoor speakers here to listen to some music outside. They do light up blue, you can see there. Behind this first storage door is 2 30-pound propane tanks on a sliding tray. It's pretty cool. Next storage door is a large storage compartment area there. Another nice thing on that storage, it's a drop Z frame, so it's nice and tall. You have 6-point auto level hydraulic jack system on the RV, so 2 jacks in the front, 2 in the middle, and then 2 just behind the rear axle. The more ride step above, quad step going in, but it comes down, touches the ground, holds up to 500 pounds, so it is stronger than the old style hover step, which is only rated for about 300 pounds. Large folding entry handle. Your model number is listed right by the door on most RVs. You can also see the aluminum vacuum bonded sidewall sticker there. Aluminum framed, vacuum bonded foam insulation on the walls. Some more stickers on the side, just talking about the Wi-Fi capability. Also talking about your Under Armour belly, basically, to kind of help protect the bottom of it, keep it heated and insulated, stuff like that, and the seasonal protection package there. Down below there you can see the rear stabilizer. Aluminum wheels. We'll get to the tire sizes when we get back around there a little bit. Now on the back corner back here, there's also a plug-in for a portable grill. There's a gas line hookup down there, so you could plug in like a small grill or something if you wanted. Ladder to help you get up on the roof for maintenance and things like that. 4-inch square tube bumper. It's a good place to store your dump hose. Again, pre-wired in the back for a camera system. The stove exhaust out the back as well. On this back corner compartment here, just a little extra storage that's under the kitchen counter area there. Down below you see pop up here, you can see that enclosed underbelly we were talking about, along with the rear dump area for the back kitchen. The second dump for the bathroom slash shower areas right here. Detachable 50 amp power cord. Your gas electric water heater right there, 10-gallon gas electric water heater. Storage area here. You can also see the docking station section pop up there as well. And then behind this one here is going to be your battery area and inverter area. Now we're also going to pop up your stickers. So you'll see your gross vehicle weight sticker, your dry weight sticker, your tire sticker, and your carrying capacity stickers all popping up there. Again, guys, thanks for checking out the RVs. We are going to go inside now, close it up. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're now back inside the RV, and your slide rooms are controlled right here. So basically, we're going to run in the bedroom first, slide room 2. And basically, all you got to do is push the button, hold it in, and that'll start to come in. Now, the bedroom slide on this is actually an electric room. The downstairs are hydraulic, but they chose to do an electric upstairs in part due to a little bit less weight than the hydraulic version that's required up here. So they did kind of change that up on the newer version. Now you can still get in here, kind of walk around a little bit on this side, kind of crawl over to the other side as needed, but you could stop at a rest area and sleep. Now, one thing, in order to do this comfortably, you do need to put the door back like I had it. If you have the door closed and the bedroom slide is closed, you can't quite open it up all the way. So if you think you're going to stop at a rest area and need to get in here, I would recommend putting a little latch on the door and holding it back like this so that you could fully get into your bedroom area here. Otherwise, it's going to come back, hit that bed, and you got to really squeeze through there, be small to get in there. Okay, so that is what the bedroom area looks like when it's closed. Now, on the downstairs section, you have your main slide room button, which is the hydraulic slides. So right here, we're going to see this kind of come in. Hydraulic slides go the path of least resistance. So this one just happens to be the least resistance. So now the kitchen in the back just went in. And then the other one's going to go in opposing this slide. Let off the button if you want anywhere in between and kind of stop it. But then when you want to go back out, you kind of do the same exact thing. Now you can obviously see here, this room keeps you from getting to the back of the RV. So you do have to bump the slides out some in order to get back here. So if you need to, again, stopping at that rest area or whatever, and you need to get in here, you would have to put these rooms out some to get back there. But you can see nice and quick, kind of see how it will drop down back there. So pretty simple, doesn't take real long. If you're stopping somewhere to store or whatever and want to load the RV, you know, just pull out to the far end of the parking lot where you got plenty of room, hit the button, open things up, close them up as needed. Pretty simple to do. Again, guys, appreciate you checking out the videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications if you are interested in keeping up with more of these videos, guys. Definitely appreciate it. Thanks again.